Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, Master T Tapp trainer, and today I'm going to answer the big question: how do you get the best results with T Tapp? I can't tell you how often I get either emails or messages or phone calls with people saying, Renee, I've been doing the basic workout plus that 15-minute workout for 4 weeks and nothing is happening, or I've been doing total and I'm just not getting anywhere. Why don't I get the same results as everybody else? And I'm going to give you one huge way you, yes you, can get the best results out of T Tapp. You ready? Here it is. Slow it way down. That's a huge key. We just can't get the level of form and muscle activation when you go really fast. Now remember, T Tapp, she filmed those two. I mean, she redid them recently, but the originals so many years ago. And over the years, we have reformed it, refined it, and slowed it way down so that we could get more muscle activation. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I mean by this, okay? So let's just take our move, our plies, that first plie series, right? So fingers and thumbs together. This was the original basic workout plus and the total workout plie sequence, right? So your feet were pretty wide, and you went down, you crossed here, and you went up, and we do a W, and then we come back up to here and up. So if I do this with my legs, and all I do, I'm just going to do legs for a second, and all I do is this, okay? I'm just going up and down. I'm really not feeling any muscle activation at all, okay? As opposed to if I go slower, and I really focus on having my tailbone down, I'm pressing my thigh bones back, just do it just there. My shoulder is right in alignment with my hips, i.e. I'm not doing this when I'm doing it, because trust me, everybody when they go fast does this, really tight and toned. I'm going down slowly, pressing it back. Then how I like to say it, I don't look like I'm even, but I am. As I'm going down, okay, I like to connect to my heels, and I like to feel like I'm pressing my heels in the ground, and I'm pressing those thigh bones back, slow, slow, tailbone tucked. At the top, I'm going to squeeze my tush and take it back down. So you kind of relaxing down, thigh bones back. Press them up, thigh bones back. Squeeze your tush. Now you're getting muscle activation, but you can't do that when you go really fast. There's just no way. Let's now add the upper body. So when you go fast, you know how in the beginning we crossed here. Now everybody, just about to a person, here's what it looks like to the side. So we tend to think, oh, we're crossing, so we're going to do this, right? And we kind of do this. So, and or we stick our tush out. So we'll go, yes, and up, and then we kind of lean back to get into it, so it's kind of a this and a this. Tush out to here, tush out to here. But Renee, I'm doing the move. This is what Teresa looks like. I'm doing the move. But that's not really how you're going to get the best results, okay? So even if you just slow it down, keep the same move, right? So you're going to bend, go really slowly. Now notice what I did. I didn't come forward. My tailbone is tucked. You probably can't see that here, huh? So my tailbone is tucked, my thigh bones are back. I'm squeezing my tush as I come up, and I'm going to do a big W. Elbow forwards, hand backs. Notice I'm not leaning. Everything is in a straight line as much as possible, right? Now watch how your muscles are. If I just go up like this and here, can you see? Not so much muscle activation. If I go down, cross, bring it up, you ready? Big W. Look at the muscle activation. Then you come down, you tuck, ribs are up, and you pull it right up by your ears. Now, whoo, girls, just doing that, I can feel it. Now you've got muscle activation. You gotta slow it down. Now, we slow it down in some of the more fascia fitness moves, right, that we did. First step, brain body fitness, so much better. Senior Fit was the original, right? Slow everything way down. And now the workout that's even more intense, just because it's slowed down more with more moves and more muscle activation, I include in my Fascia Fitness Retreat recorded class package. So I just wanted to share with you again another reason why I'm so excited to share that package with you, because the very last retreat that T Tapp did, she did this Fascia Fitness and she added some new moves and really increased the muscle activation even more. Now, why do you want to keep moving that fascia, doing things like this, moving everything up? This is what's going to help you get the best results with T Tapp. So I really hope that you check out that package, and I want you to have just a great day. Thanks.